Investing in the long list of essential triathlon gear can make your love of the sport an expensive hobby, so we've rounded up the best cheap cycling shoes so you can fuel your passion on a budget. Many people use triathlon-specific bike shoes for racing, as they can be better suited to the needs of multisport. But standard road bike shoes are more than capable of taking you the distance. Whether you're looking for a pair of cheap cycling shoes to use for your training or use for everything, it is possible to find a suitable fit for your budget and triathlon needs. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Review Finley present top 5 best budget cycling shoes. Let's get started. Number 5. Shimano RC1 SPDSL shoes. The RC1 shoe is the road-going sibling to the XC1 and it uses the 3-bolt cleat type sole, which is a little stiffer than the off-road version. Shimano suggests that it has a 6/12 stiffness rating, although as each brand has their own rating system, this is only really useful for comparing between their models. This sole uses a glass fiber reinforced nylon with some venting in the toe area. The sole is easily the best to walk in with cleats attached, it's so flexible you can almost walk normally. The shoe certainly looks the part with synthetic leather uppers and 3 Velcro straps. The offset upper strap relieves tension on the top of the foot, says Shimano, and I found this to match my experience on the longer, hotter rides of the summer. I found the fit to be really good with a snug heel and enough space in the toe box, but only just. Whilst there was no touching of toes, there wasn't loads of extra space. Number 4. Giro Ranger cycling shoes. If you can up the budget a little, then the old-school cross-country style Giro Ranger is well worth a look. There are 4 colors this time: black, black with cascade green writing, porter gray, and an olive green with a gum sole. The uppers combine a supple synthetic fiber, which feels slightly rubbery to the touch, with mesh panels for breathability. There are 3 Velcro straps to adjust the fit. Also available are 3 sizes of arch support insole kits if the standard shoe needs adjustment. I found no issue with the standard fit and left it that way for the testing. The sole is made from a fairly grippy rubber and the tread is reasonably lugged for XC mountain biking. You can add 2 toe studs per shoe should you wish, but whilst they help in really muddy conditions, they do hinder walking otherwise. These shoes were, for me, the most comfortable of the 2-bolt selection. I could wear them all day with no issues. I liked the aesthetic of the olive green and the reflective heel patch was a good size to make it a worthwhile addition. They were cool enough in the 25 to 30 degrees centigrade weather of this summer. Number 3. Santix cycling shoes. If you are searching for a cycling shoes, the Santix cycling shoes review on our list is ideal for you. The service starts from me, so you have no worries in the future. Order now, we can provide her the 12 months warranty for the cycling shoes. Shoe body using large area ventilation holes, enhanced breathability, ergonomic fit, adding comfort and security to all of your rides. Santix cycling shoes. The cleat area is compatible with most pedal and cleat types, offering the perfect platform no matter what pedals you ride. This combination makes the Santix cycling shoes perfect use for indoor cycling shoes, outdoor cycling shoes, cycling class, as well as road biking and touring, giving you the most versatility for your lifestyle. Number 2. Kesku Unisex cycling shoes. More than 735-star reviews praise the Kesku Unisex cycling shoes for its portability. You will get women's cycling shoes with Delta cleats, perfect for Delta indoor cycling and road bicycle bike shoes. This clip-in bike shoes upper is made of lightweight and high-strength synthetic material with mesh insert, which offer a light foot feeling and fully breathable. The multifunctional nylon sole is compatible with SPDSL and Delta cleats, which is compatible with the Peloton bike shoes. New carbon fiber pattern design sole, nice and sturdy, make your riding more safety. Number 1. TIEM Slipstream Cycling Shoe. The TIEM Slipstream Cycling Shoe are the best budget cycling shoes you can buy this year. The Slipstream is a performance cycling shoe that doesn't sacrifice the style and comfort of your favorite pair of sneakers. With its breathable mesh toe box, slip-on construction, and single strap closure system, it's the most comfortable shoe you'll ever wear to class. SPD cleats sold separately. Engineered mesh and an athletic textile upper allows your foot to breathe throughout class. The Slipstream is the original slip-on, single-strap cycling shoe, available in an array of colors to complement your style. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.